Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing some of the skincare products from this brand called Simple. So something that I would like to talk about the brand first is that Simple is a UK based brand and it is especially curated for sensitive skin, and all their products are 100% soap free, they are 100% chemical free, they are 100% perfume and added colors free, and they also do not have any alcohol, no animal derived products, which I really like. So it's a vegan as well as a cruelty free brand, and Simple claims that they focus on clean and kind beauty. So I have got bunch of products, and if you guys are interested in knowing the details about them, then please continue watching. But before that, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, and also please make sure you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So I'm gonna quickly show all the products that I've got. So first up, I've got the facial wipes from Simple. Secondly, I have a refreshing facial wash. Then I have hydrating light moisturizer, and the last I have micellar cleansing water. So I've been testing them out on my skin. Given the fact that they are good for sensitive skin, I was pretty much sure that for my skin, which is oily to combination and acne prone skin, they're gonna work, because if it's for sensitive skin, they're gonna also benefit my skin. So that's why I tried them out, and I have got my reviews on these. The first product that I'm going to talk about is the facial wipes. I have got Simple cleansing facial wipes. So this brand claims as a sensitive skin experts, and their products are kind to skin. So these wipes are good to remove waterproof makeup, and they do not have any artificial perfume or color or harsh chemicals that can upset your skin, which I really like. So these facial wipes are really handy, and they help in removing the makeup. And also, if you are going out, or if you are not carrying handkerchief or stuff like that, these are pretty much good to sort of wipe your face, wipe your hands, and keep yourself sanitized. So the ingredients in these facial wipes are pro vitamin B5, vitamin E, glycerin, and triple purified water. So which is really nice. I mean, vitamin E is good to give hydration. Glycerin is also good for your skin, which is very safe for the skin, and that's why I have been using these. I generally don't really use a lot of facial wipes, so I cannot pretty much compare them with the rest of the facial wipes, but I've been using these. They are very much efficient in removing the makeup and also very much hydrating. So that's the good part that I like about these facial wipes. Coming on to the second product that I've been using from Simple is the micellar cleansing water, and it says that it hydrates and gently removes the makeup. So I've been using it on and off, and to be honest, it's very mild. This has been very kind to my skin. I have not faced any tingling sensation, burning sensation or inflammation kind of a feel on my skin, and it's very calming, and it gently removes all sort of makeup and dirt from my face without making my face dry or red or flaky. And also I don't feel any kind of tingling sensation. So it's really nice, very kind and mild on my skin. If you are looking for a good micellar water, you can definitely try it out. Like I said, it doesn't consist of any artificial fragrance or added color, so apart from sensitive skin, other skin people can also try it out. Next up, I've been using is a refreshing facial wash. So basically these products are a part of my morning or daytime skincare routine. So I use the facial wipes and the micellar water when I remove my makeup during the daytime, and the rest of the products like the facial wash and the moisturizer, I've been using these regularly in my morning time skincare routine because they are quite mild. So this Simple refreshing facial wash is 100% soap free, which is really great because whenever I wake up, I just splash some water, like the normal regular water, and then I just apply some good amount of moisturizer, because all you have on your face during the morning is the natural oil, like excessive oils in my case. So I just splash some regular water and I just apply the good amount of moisturizer, and that's all about it. And given the fact that it is 100% soap free, so whenever I want to use any facial wash during the morning time, I definitely reach out to this one because it's not going to be very harsh on my skin. That's the great part that I like about this product. The ingredients in this are vitamin B3 and vitamin E. So vitamin E is good for keeping your skin hydrated, so that's the fact that I really like. It cleanses my skin and also keep it hydrated. The face wash is very mild, very clean, and very gel like. It is very transparent and looks really clean, and it doesn't really feel that it has any harsh chemicals into it. and if I smell it, there's no fragrance into it whatsoever, so it totally stand up to their claims, which is no artificial fragrance. So the last product that I'm going to talk about is the moisturizer. So this is a cream based moisturizer. This moisturizer is a hydrating light moisturizer which claims up to 12 hours of moisturization, which I think is great for your daytime purpose. The fact that I really like about this moisturizer is that it's very lightweight and totally fragrance free. A very tiny amount does the great job, and it instantly get absorbed into my skin and gives a very dewy and moist look, and keeps my skin hydrated throughout the day, which I really like. So for a person like me who's more inclined toward gel based moisturizer, and getting convinced by a cream based moisturizer is a very big deal. It's very hydrating and does the job pretty much well, and also doesn't really break out on my skin, which I really like. And obviously the fact that it doesn't contain any fragrance, any color, any chemical, it's and no alcohol, no parabens, so it's not gonna break me out. But still, I'm very much skeptical about using the cream based moisturizer. But given the fact that it is very light based moisturizer, very lightweight formula, it is perfect for my skin. So if you are someone with oily to combination skin, and you need something which is very hydrating and at the same time not at all greasy and not at all heavy on your face, you can definitely try this one out. As for dry skin, you won't feel very quenched, very hydrated. It's going to be very lightweight for you, so you can layer it up or try out some more hydrating like full cream based moisturizers. But it's absolutely great for oily to combination skin, normal skin, and as well as sensitive skin for sure. These are really affordable, so sit perfect in my daily skincare routine, so that's why I enjoy using these products. So that's it guys, this was my review about the simple skincare products which stand for clean and kind beauty, and I hope you guys like the review and the details about the product, and hopefully this video has been helpful for you. So if you guys like the video, please give a thumbs up to my video, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the another video. Till then, take care, bye.